Well, hello everyone and happy Saturday. Oh, wait a minute. It's not Saturday, it's Monday. Oh my gosh. It just feels like Saturday because I'm on vacation. I can't believe I just did that. It is Monday. Man, what's today? The 21st, I think. I should check these things before I start the video. Anyway, happy Monday. It is only 4 days till Christmas. Can you believe it? I just cannot believe it's coming so fast. It's also the first day of winter, which is the shortest day of the year. This is the winter solstice. So it is the shortest day of the year as far as daylight out there. So starting tomorrow, we'll have 2 more minutes of sunshine. So the sun will rise a minute earlier and set a minute later. So you get 2 more minutes of sunshine every day until June 21st, and then it starts going backwards again. Anyway, just a little trivia fact. But anyway, this is the card we're making tonight. I hope you like it. I was planning on doing new stuff tonight from the new Spring Mini, but I had this card that I had done in class the other day, and I hadn't done a video on it. And then also, this paper is not going to be available after next week. So I wanted to go ahead and do another video with this one, because this is your last chance to get this suite, the Eden's Garden Suite, or the Ever Eden Designer Series paper. So I wanted to do this really simple card. This is like one of my go-to cards for any designer paper, really, because it's so easy. You just punch out the 3 rectangles using the rectangle postage stamp punch, and then just put it on here with some designer series paper. I can't even talk tonight. All right, let me see if my computer's working. And it's not. Uh-oh. Let me see. It's got a different video on here than this one. Okay, here I am. Is anybody watching? I don't know. Let me see. Let's see if we can get this going. Yep, there's 11 people on here. So for some reason, I don't know why, I can't see anybody's comments. Let's try it one more time. Okay, oh, here we go. All right, I had to slide the screen over a little bit. So we have a bunch of people. Hey Sharon, hey Lois, hey Pamela, hey Carol. I don't know what, oh hey Gloria. I think I got a card from you today. I'm pretty sure I did. And Sherry, hey Sherry. All right, we got lots of people on here. Now, okay. I got my computer going. I have an iMac, so sometimes if you hit the little mouse accidentally, it makes your screen go like big, giant, really huge, and then you gotta sit there and like keep tapping it until it goes back down. Hey, Robin. Oh, you caught me live today. Yep, you sure did. All right, so we're gonna make this card tonight. I have a couple more Christmas cards to show you that I got in the mail yesterday. So this one is from my good friend Anya. She lives in Germany. So the words are in German, but I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And their cards are a little bit different size than Americans. I think, yeah, they're just slightly skinnier and longer. So I just thought this was so beautiful, though. So I had to show you, but it is all the way from Germany, and it is beautiful. And I really hope that Stampin' Up! Brings this bedazzled paper back, because I really miss it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, and then I got this card from my friend Debbie Harrell, and I thought this one was beautiful too. It's a big giant card, and it got recipes in it. So I think I'm almost down to the last few recipes, I think. I only have a few left to send out. I sent out almost all my Christmas cards in the last couple days, so if you have sent me one and haven't gotten one yet, it was in the mail today or yesterday, or not yesterday because the show was Sunday, Saturday. And I got a few in the mail today that I haven't had a chance to send back out. So hopefully I'll get them all done by tomorrow. So here's the Eden's Garden stamp set that we're going to be using. And then this is the words. Thank you so much. This is from Inspired Thoughts, which is also where I got that Peace, Joy, Love that I've used a lot with the Peaceful Cabin. Don't forget, a lot of things are going to be selling out soon because we've got that last chance list of all the retired stuff, and some of it's on sale, and then also the clearance rack. So both of those things are going on now, and also this Eden's Garden stuff. So make sure you get this paper if you want it, because it's gone as of January 3rd. You will not be able to get it anymore. All right, so let me show you what we're using for today's video. We've got a piece of 5.5 by 8.5 soft succulent. Oops. A piece of 5 1/4 by 4 Ever Eden, that's the designer series paper. A piece of 4.5 by 2 1/8 evening evergreen. And a piece of 2 3/4 by 5/8, also evening evergreen. A 1/2 inch by 2 1/2 soft succulent, and then a scrap of the same designer paper, except this is just a different piece. So same packet of paper. So if you want to take a screenshot of that, hopefully you can get all that on the screen. Hey, Linda. All right, so hopefully everybody had a great day today. I went and ran errands this morning, and I'm telling you what, it was insane. I've never seen so many people and so much traffic on Monday. It was absolutely crazy, and I left here at 9 o'clock in the morning thinking I would beat the rush. But no, I guess everyone and their brother had the day off, so it was crazy. All right, so first thing we're going to do is punch. We need 3 rectangles from this piece, and this is the one with the gold embossed on it. It's really pretty. So I think I'm going to do it this way. Maybe I can get 2. And it doesn't really matter which direction you go. There's like really no rhyme or reason of these leaves right here. So we'll just go ahead and pop out 3. And it's super easy. I could probably do 10 of these in 20 or 30 minutes. And then we just have to glue these down and glue this piece. Oh, you know what? I need some ribbon too. I forgot about that. We need this ribbon, which is the soft succulent, what's it called? Open weave ribbon. So we need a piece of that. Oh my God, all wrinkled. Let's cut that off. I don't want any wrinkled ribbon. So we need a piece that's about, if this is 5 1/4, we need about 7 1/4, because about 1 inch more on either side. So we're going to glue that down after we put this on. So flip these over. Let's get some glue. So I went to pick up some stuff from my friend's house first, my old neighbor. Remember, I got those things delivered from Kohl's to the wrong address. There's no glue coming out of here. Okay, let's try a new one. So that was good seeing her. My old house really shocked me. They've like totally redone everything. And my house was brick on the front, and they painted it white, which I think looks really weird. And, you know, I had such a meticulous yard. I've always, like, taken care of my yard and made it look so good, and they don't take care of the yard anymore. It really was depressing. So, and she said, yeah, they just don't take very good care of the house like I did. And it was really kind of sad. It's always sad going to see your old house when you loved it. You know, I really loved that house, and I hated to leave it, but at least I did get another good house. I just don't have my swimming pool anymore. I think I'll turn this one this way. All right, so what I like to do is do the 2 ends first and then do the middle one, because that way you can make it pretty even, because if you go first and second and then you have this one, you might have a big gap there. So this way you can kind of put it right in the center. Just a little tip for you. So then I went to Sam's, and it was crazy there. I could hardly get a parking spot. And then when I did, I got in there and there was no cart. So I had to go back out to the parking lot to find a cart and go back in. And I only needed 2 things. One was the chicken, and of course they were not done. So I had to wait again 20 minutes for a chicken. That's really the main reason I go to Sam's. And I know some of y'all are like, well, why don't you cook it yourself in like the air fryer? But it's so much easier to go to Sam's and get it, and it's already cooked, and it's only $5. But normally they have plenty, but today it was crazy. So I don't know. I just hate going there. Normally it's not that busy though if I go before 10 o'clock, but I didn't get there till after 10. So everybody else and their brother was there. It was crazy. And then I went to Kroger's, and that was good. I did the pick it up thing, so I ordered it online and picked it up. It was very easy. I highly recommend doing that. And I got every single thing that I ordered, which never happens, and I was shocked because it's almost Christmas. And the girl who brought it out, I said, I can't believe there was like no substitutions or nothing out. She goes, I know. She said, it's insane inside. I said, I know. That's why I didn't go in there. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Stephanie. How are you guys doing? Sandy, I put your box in the mail yesterday. So you should be getting that sometime soon. All right, we're going to put this on here. Try to get it centered. And maybe leave about, what's that? Maybe quarter of an inch, a little bit more than a quarter of an inch all the way around. All right, now we're going to put the ribbon on. And that's just going to go right under there. And I'm going to put some tape on that. And we're going to stamp the inside with the flower. And put this down. Oh, that's crooked. So I've been cleaning today. My stamp room is like a disaster. I've been trying to pull all my Christmas stuff out that's retiring and go through it. And it's really hard because some stamp sets I don't want to get rid of. So I'm trying to decide whether to keep it or sell it. And my pile to keep is getting bigger and bigger because I don't want to get rid of the Peaceful Cabin and the leaves, the gorgeous leaves, and what's the other one? Welcoming Woods. All right, we're going to stamp our words on this little teeny piece here. And you can put any words on here. I just thought this one was the right size for this piece that I needed. So we're going to do thank you so much. Hopefully I'll get it straight because I can't see it very good. And I want to do it mostly to the left so I can do an arrow over on the right side. Oh, that's kind of up too high. Let me try that again. Well, oh well. We're just going to keep that. We'll keep that one. All right, and then on the inside, I'm going to put the flower. So we're going to do this flower in the soft succulent. Yes, Sandy, there's some good stuff in there too. All right, so just do this right here. I think we'll do it this way. I never can tell how this one is supposed to go. I don't think it really matters, but all right, so there's the inside. Like I said, this is a super easy card. We're almost done. I thought about just doing like 4 of them so we could just sit here and talk. Since I have nothing else to do tonight. Well, I do have lots of stuff to do, like clean. I just can't get over what a mess my house is. So I am going to be cleaning for the next couple days. Then my mother's coming on Friday. Well, I've got to go pick her up. She's going to stay over for a couple days. She's all excited. All right, so we're going to glue this down onto the bigger piece. So I cut the arrow out of this. Then I'm going to put it onto this one and then cut out another arrow to layer that one. So that's how you do that. And the other day one of my friends was like, I just can't cut an arrow. All you have to do is go up in the middle and then just go edge to edge. So it's really easy to do. It'd be easier if I had some better glasses. I think I need new glasses. My eyes are getting worse as I get older. All right, we're going to put some dimensionals on the back of that. And then we're going to do some pearls. I also went and got a massage this morning. I have a membership to this Massage Luxe place. And it's like, I just can't keep up with it because, you know, they charge your card every month. And I just don't have time to go every month. So I keep racking up these free ones. But the guy that I like to go to is always booked. So I ended up going to a different guy today. And I really did not like him at all. He was just... I mean, he was nice, but oh my gosh, it was like one of the worst massages I've ever gotten. So I'm not going back to him. I just wanted a nice relaxing one. He was not relaxing at all. But I love getting massages. Because it's always like my lower back and my shoulders are always like tense. I guess from the way I sit all the time, like kind of hunched over. You know when you're sitting here stamping and you just got to like lean over, and I should probably get one of those desks that you can stand up at. Maybe that would be better, but at work we have to sit down. We can't stand up, so I don't know, I just sit too much. It's not good for my backside either, because it just keeps getting bigger. All right, we're going to put a little pearl here. These are the gold ones, the metallic pearls. And we're just going to put a few gold ones on here. Doesn't matter where you go. I'm just going to put one on each one. Let's do one there. Oops, it didn't. Come on. Come on. One more. Let's do one up here. All right, so we got pearls and we got, I don't think we need any Wink of Stella on this one. It's got so much glitter, but we could try it and just see what it looks like. Well, this one's not coming out very good. Let me like get another one. I think I keep using them so much that they're running out. I probably need to order some more. Oh, this one's working. Can you see it? It is pretty. It does give it a lot of sparkle. All right, let me hold that up so you can see it. I just can't believe it's only going to be 4 days till Christmas. My daughter texted me today. She's coming after Christmas, and she's like, when we come over, can you just like cook something? And I'm I said, you know, I don't even like to cook too much. And she's like, they got a new puppy, so they want to bring their puppy over. And I'm thinking, it's a puppy. It's probably going to come in the house and pee everywhere on my new floor. You know, I just don't know. I used to like dogs a lot, but now that I have a new house, I really don't want dogs in here. They're just like, I don't know. I'm a good dog person if they're older and they're trained, but if they're puppies, then I don't know about that. But she wants to bring the dog over. So it is a cute dog. But I just hope it doesn't pee on everything. All right, so that's the card tonight. Hey, Starla. I didn't even see you pop on here. Hey, Melinda. All right, so what do you guys think? You like it? I didn't put Wink of Stella on this one. But that's the card. Super easy. You can do this with any designer paper that you have. All you got to do is punch these three out, put it on the another piece of designer paper, and it's done. Super easy. And I did this with the Expressions in ink, I think it's called, or Artistically Inked. One of those. I did the exact same kind of card with that one, and I did another one. But super easy. I hope you like it, and you can make a bunch of these in no time at all. Thank you guys for joining me for such a short video tonight. I probably should have brought 2 cards or something to do. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will be back on, you know what? It's today is Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I'm like totally losing my mind. First I said it was Saturday, then I said it was Monday. It's actually Tuesday. But it is the 21st. Okay, this week is just like going by too fast. I'm on vacation and I don't know what day it is. So, happy Tuesday. Somebody tell me it really is Tuesday, because I was just thinking, wait a minute, I don't do videos on Monday, so it can't be Monday. All right, it's Tuesday, so I'll be back Thursday for another video, and I promise to have something really good. I will do a technique or something with one of the new stamp sets. So maybe I'll do that bay window card or something, I don't know. All right, you guys have a great night, and I will be back Thursday with another video. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.